Angela, and today I made a bouquet. So you can make it for your mom or dad, and now I'm going to teach you how to do the same. You need a square sheet of paper, any color. You need some markers, and then you need a pencil. Circle, like anything circle, and then you can make, out of those you can make these. You can make these papers any color, and all of them have to be green. Then you need any color square rectangle sheet of paper, a red heart. You need 3 stems and a scissor, 2 sticks and all. So first we are going to need this. So we're going to try to make a swan. So you have to fold your paper like that. Then you've made it like that, you've made it like this. So you open this up and it's like a bouquet, okay? But you open this and you fold it like this, okay? Then you take the scissor and cut this part. So you start from here and cut along. So you take this. You take the roller and you make a line along it and like like that, and then you make it like this. You need it like you see this part, you see this, it has to go like this. So put this aside, okay, and you take these, okay, you take these and you stick them over here. Focus on these, okay? Focus on these. So first is you take these 3, okay? You use any circular, shape, and then you make these lines. You make these circles. You draw them, okay? And then what you do is you put them all together and you fold them into a shape, a semicircle. What you do is you use a ruler, okay, and go along the line like this. You start from this corner, like you start from here. So you cut along this line, okay. because then it would be a lot better. So now when you open this up, you see that they've turned into tulips. Okay, you need three because you use one. Okay, you take the glue stick, you see this line, you have to go at the one side of it. Okay, just one first, and then you fold this into half again and put it along this, that. Then you do the same thing with this. Okay, got some tulips here. Okay, now you need to do the same with all of the others. So you've got 3 tulips over here. You get those that in back, okay, that bouquet, and then you just put it in any order you want. So you start. I want to start with the blue. You can choose any color you want to start with. Try to make the tulips go outside the bouquet, so it looks kind of like, so when you close it, it looks nice, and from behind also you can see it, so it's nice. And the reason there's a cutaway here to make it look like a heart is to show the one in the middle. It's like if you're using red over here, so you can put it over here, and from behind it kind of looks like a heart. I don't have red here, but still, I've got pink. I'll use that. Our tulips now. So what you need is a piece of paper like this, like it should be rectangle, okay, and you use the markers to write, okay. So if I want to make it for my mom or dad, I'll write you are done with this. Okay, so you just fold it a little to fold this thing too. Okay, now this looks good. But to make it even more better, we will try and use you should ask for a help of adult. And you can use a scissor to do it easier, but you can also use a pencil if you want to be safe. But it should be sharp. I'm going to be using a scissor. So first you should mark them, but make sure it's not so close to it, because if you pull too tight, it might break. It might tear off. It should be like 1 centimeter away. And here too. And make sure those things are in line, so it's like it's a door, and then you open it up, so you see that those handles are always open. So you add this right side. Try to make it big. Okay. And then with the help of an adult, you can use this. You can use it with the adult supervision. So, like if your parents are kind of scared for safety reasons, so you can ask them. And if like when you be careful, because we are gonna be using a thread. Okay, so what I did was take a really long sheet of red paper, any color you want, your wish, any long. So what you do is you use that paper and fold it down. Okay, you fold it down like this. So it has to be really long. Okay, it has to be really long, and you have to make a bow. So these holes are so you can put it inside and make a bow. So try to. This one's really easy. Just make it out. I used an actual thread in this one, but if you want, you can use this so it's easier. Slowly, do it really slowly. Okay? If you're using paper, you have to do it slowly, but if you're using a rubber thread or any type of thread here, then you can do it, but be careful. And here we go. We've got a nice bow. Now I'm sure you can open it. Now look, you can just open. You can open this up anyway. Like, because if you're using a bow, you have to you can open it up. Make it a little loose so it's easier to open it up. Okay. And then you open it up and you see there's a letter inside. Your parents might think that it was a really. Your parents might be thinking that it's just a bouquet, but then when you open it, you see there's a letter. And to make it more better, you can fold these parts so it kind of looks nice and it's like 3D. So I would suggest that you share this. And I hope you like it. I hope you like this video.